technicals to watch from here. Today stock looks like slightly down 0.6%, trading at 135. So and also this blue zone that you are looking at, this is a demand zone, this is a support zone for Nvidia. And also let me switch to a daily chart so you guys can see why this area is very important for the stock at this point in time. So you guys can see how many times it has bounced off of these levels, once, twice, three times, 4, 5. So pretty much in the past 2 months, this zone has been a demand zone and stock was bouncing off of these levels. And today briefly touched 131.89, so pretty much 132. So that's the zone, 132, 134. I'm watching as a support for AMD. If it does chop around here and it doesn't have a significant like buying pressure and tries to get off from here, you want to be cautious of this stock rolling over. To the upside, what do you want to watch? So we'll definitely look at the downside targets as well. To the upside, you want to watch 50-day moving average, which is 143. So that's the resistance I will be watching for the stock. But to the downside, I will be keeping an eye on 100-day moving average, which is this purple line on my screen, and also more of a decent like a support that was a breakout level somewhere here at 122. So that's where we saw stock break out in November, December, November, beginning of November. So that level is more of a very like a attractive area for me to say, hey, I think I will go long at this point. But right here, right now, these are the targets. Just like with Nvidia, this stock has been moving sideways. If we look at the monthly chart, let's take a look at different time frames just so we know what's going on with this name. Well, let's have a look at weekly chart first. On a weekly chart, you guys can see last 2 weeks it has been negative, and also on a monthly chart you can see, I think December it did sell off, all right, but it didn't sell off big. So it did close for the year of 2021 pretty big actually. So it did outperform the market. So this is we're looking at the yearly candle, and I can't believe that this stock in 2015 was $1.61 stock. So but anyways, overall market gained about 27%, I believe, S&P 500, and AMD 2021 closed positive 56%. So definitely beat the market. But this year of 2022 so far, it has been only 1 week so far, so we're not going to judge it by just 1 week. But so far this year, just measure how much it's down so far this year from the opening level of the stock, 6.7%. So call it a bit of a pullback, but if we're gonna get a correction, yeah, I would look into those support levels, breakout support levels, or maybe even 200-day moving average. Also, we have earnings coming up, so we have the biggest earnings season, which is Q4. A lot of companies are going to report, and for AMD, the scheduled earnings is 25th of January. So I'm not going to expect too big of a move until they report earnings. So I'm not expecting stock to bounce big or drop big from these levels. So that's the video for AMD. Hope you guys like it. See you in the next one.